Hi, very pleased to be here. I'm Pere Monras, CEO and co-founder of Nemuru. We're here to unlock business opportunities at the point of sale. This meaning offering this point of sale the opportunity to offer installment plans to their customers. We see unsolved frictions in the market. Although more than 3 billion have been invested in FinTech developing the point of sale, the point of sale, most of it have been with an online focus, where basically less than 20% of purchases are made online, and where tickets, the average ticket and the fraud also increase a lot, and the average ticket is below 500 euros in average. However, the offline world is more taken by the banking industry, with a big focus on only big partnerships on the auto segment, and of course with technology, with legacy systems from the 90s or maybe beginning of the century. Okay, so we're focusing on this offline opportunity. What is the frictions we observe now? So basically, this point of sale can send their customers to the branch next door with an agreement of price, which takes longer than 1 week to accept, and it's an ad hoc evaluation process. They can have also like the consumer finance tool from the bank side, which will take 1 to 2 days to accept and have all the paperwork attached to it. And what Nemuru does is reduce this friction, and in just 3 minutes, the borrower part will do an onboarding process. We will capture all data, we'll do the machine learning algorithms behind it to assess the risk profile, and we'll connect to multiple lenders in order to improve approval rates. Okay, we're trying to be convenient, universal, and simple in this way. We are focusing on the offline channel with greater average tickets. We do up to 20K per operation. We are focusing on the point of sale selling services, not just goods, in the sense that when these services can last a little bit on time, we put the escrow account in the middle, so they have like a digital certification scheme to liberate the money. And we're multi-lender. We partner with lenders behind so that we don't have the risk in our balance sheet, and we can maximize approval for the point of sale. As a paradigm of market, just starting in Spain, the home improvement market is already like more than 18 billion per year, and a very granular one with more than 350K SMEs and freelancers there. So it's like our paradigm to start testing the product. Our business model behind is, of course, a servicing fee on the lender side, but not only a servicing fee, but also a bonus fee that aligns our incentives with them and gives value to our risk models. On the merchant side, we're performing the testing. Right now, more than 35% of them are in fact paying a fee for using the zero APR program. And of course, also as we have a platform that is completely appified, we are starting to monetize data and machine learning algorithms directly from our platform. From our launching, we're increasing the demand of these loans for above 1 million monthly. We're bringing in more than 300 users with very good conversion rates of around 45% when acquiring this point of sale. The recurrence, meaning how much they use it per month, just multiplied by 3 since the beginning, and we're on an average ticket of around 6,000K. We did a quick launching of the MVP. We started in summer 2018, and in just 4 months, we gave the first product. We've raised already 2 million with local VCs in order to explode that our model. We closed those with two top Spanish banks for the funding operations. Okay, and we reached these 300 with more than 300 users of commercial partners. Okay. Right now, we are in the phase of scaling, of growing it. Of course, we're amplifying and testing other verticals like education and health, for example, and we are changing also our focus to more corporate sales to increase the recurrence of our merchants. This is what we're doing right now with this vertical expansion. In 2020, we want to complete the product in terms of biometry to also be able to put these on the complete online channel, but also preparing the international rollout, since we figured out like almost 20% of our organic traffic comes from Mexico and Colombia, for example, and our banking partners already are there and are willing to be there also. So it makes a lot of sense to us to follow this way. The co-founding team, myself, Pere Monras, Natalia Piccinin, and Enric Gilabert, we all have previous experience in the banking sector. I come from the consulting in financial institutions, but also in launching companies, like Natalia had been before launching a similar platform back in Argentina. And Enric is the person in charge of product and data with deep expertise in machine learning and technology. Thank you very much. I'll be around for any further conversations. Thanks.